In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the data source in Data Studio reports. This is a really useful skill when you've switched databases, moved to a new connector, or updated your backend system and want your existing charts to keep working without rebuilding everything from scratch. A lot of people assume they need to recreate their entire report when data changes, but that's not the case. Data Studio actually allows you to swap data sources quite smoothly, as long as you follow the right steps. Start by opening your report and going to the top menu. From there, click on the Resources option in the dropdown. This is where Data Studio keeps all the configuration settings for your report. Inside the Resources menu, select Manage Added Data Sources. In some versions, it might appear as Manage Added Data, but it leads to the same place. Once you open it, you'll see a full list of every data source currently connected to your report. This includes things like Google Sheets connections, databases, analytics accounts, or any external connectors you've added. It's basically the control center for your report's data connections. Next, click on Add a Data Source. This will open a new panel where you can choose the connector type you want to use. You may also need to authorize access depending on the source you select. At this stage, it's important to pause for a moment and make sure your new data source actually matches your existing report structure. Check that the fields, dimensions, and metrics are similar to what your charts are expecting. This step prevents errors later. Once you've added the new data source, give it a clear and recognizable name. This might seem small, but it becomes very helpful when you start switching multiple visuals or managing larger reports. Now return to your report canvas. Click on the specific chart or visual that you want to update. This step is important because each chart can be linked to its own separate data source. With the chart selected, look at the right-hand panel where the data settings are displayed. You should see an option to change or add the data source for that visual. Click on Add Data, and from the list, select the new data source you just created. As soon as you select it, Data Studio will automatically try to reconnect that chart to the new data structure. In many cases, the chart will update immediately and you'll see your new data appear right away. However, sometimes issues can occur if the new data source doesn't perfectly match the old one. For example, a date field might be interpreted as text, or a metric column might be missing entirely. When this happens, the chart may show an error or incomplete data. To fix this, check the fields used in the chart and confirm that they exist in the new data source. Also, make sure the data types match correctly, because mismatched types are one of the most common causes of errors. If needed, you can adjust the field mapping directly inside the chart settings, or modify the data type in the data source itself so everything aligns properly. Once one chart is updated, repeat the same process for any other visuals in your report that still rely on the old data source. This ensures consistency across your entire dashboard. It's also a good idea to check any filters or controls you've added because they may still be linked to the original data source and might need to be updated as well. And that's really all there is to it. By managing your data sources through the Resources menu and reassigning them at the chart level, you can smoothly transition your entire Data Studio report without rebuilding anything from scratch.